Good morning, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me today as we continue to look at numbers and decide if they are even or odd. So today's learning target is I can determine if a number is even or odd by putting them into partners and two equal teams. Your goal today and task is to complete this chart on the second page to determine if these numbers are even or odd. We're going to look at the number today and we're going to put them in partners and see if they have any leftovers. We're also going to put them into two equal teams and see if they have any leftovers. We know that if we can make partners and two equal teams, that number is even. But if that number can't make partners and has leftovers, or we cannot make two equal teams because there's a leftover, then that number is odd. You can use the first page as a work template to help you fill out the chart. So we're going to do the first one together. So let's pretend we have 9 students. So I'm going to go back to here and use my stars to put them into partners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see that I'm putting them into pairs or partners. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What do you notice, boys and girls? That's right. We cannot make equal partners. We have 1 left over. So let's go back to our chart and fill out what we know so far. So if we have 9 students, does everyone have a partner? Nope. So I'm going to grab my writing tool and I'm going to fill out the chart. So no, not everyone had a partner. How many did not have a partner? Let's go back to our chart. We had 1 person that did not have a partner. So we're going to write 1 here. Now we're going to fill out this part of our chart. Can we make 2 equal teams? So using my work template on page 1, I'm going to draw a line to represent team 1. Here, let me draw it purple. Okay, this side is going to represent team 1, and this side will represent team 2. So now let's take our 9 students and put them into 2 equal teams. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. Team 1, team 2, team 1, team 2, and I'm going to go back and forth until I've used all my stars. Okay, so far I have 4 people on team 1 and 4 people on team 2. But if I put this star, which is the 9th star on team 1, then I have 5 people on team 1 and 4 people on team 2, and that wouldn't be fair. And if I put the star on team 2, then I have 4 people on team 1 and 5 people on team 2, and that wouldn't be fair. So we cannot make 2 equal teams. We will have 1 left over. So let's go back to our chart and fill in our information. Grab my writing tool again. Would there be 2 equal teams? You're right. Nope, we could not make 2 equal teams. Would there be any leftovers? Yep, we had 1 leftover. Okay, so now thinking about what we learned, since we can't have partners, we had 1 leftover, and we can't make 2 equal teams, we had 1 leftover. Is this number even or odd? Did you say odd? Good job. So on this side, I want you to write odd or even to tell me if the number is even or odd. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to do 11, 14, and 15. Feel free to use page number 1 to help you answer the question. After you fill in the chart, go to page 3, and you're going to answer this question. Would you ever have 3 left over? Why or why not? And I want you to use the microphone or use the shapes to help explain your thinking. So you can click on the microphone and explain, could we ever have 3 left over? Why or why not? All right, have a great day, boys and girls. Thanks for joining me.